Hello, everyone. Easter is right around the corner. It's March 31st this year. Thought I had another week, but I had to scramble a little bit to get my son's Easter gift together. This year, I wanted to embroider something. Dime, a few weeks ago, came out with a girl bunny design. She's got little pearls, glasses, super cute. So the creative juices were already flowing on how I could use that design. Then the next week, they came out with the cool bunny dude design. Oh my gosh, he was so perfect. I immediately downloaded it and just wanted to stitch it up right away. So I had watched all the YouTube tutorials on making bags. The one that I settled on was from Holly at Dandelion Stitches. She has a market bag pattern and tutorial that's for free. It's a little over 40 minutes long, so she goes into all the details on each step and how to put it together. She does a great job. So that is the bag that I went through. I'm embroidering this on a piece of fabric that's going to have lining, so that'll cover that stabilizer. And this is going to be the pocket. So I get to just work with that little bit of space and have that just be the only part that needs embroidered, and then construct the rest of the bag. So I made my own straps. I did a 4-inch strip of this navy. It's from Walmart. It's like in the interior cloth, like fabric for furniture probably aisle. I thought it was some kind of canvas that would work. I don't know if there's special bag fabric out there. This isn't my wheelhouse, but I thought it worked really well. It looked sturdy. So I had that 4-inch strip that was ironed in half, folded in on itself so the rodges are in the middle, and then I'm stitching along either side of those straps. I thought that looked really great, and it's really satisfying to make it. I know a lot of people will tell you, like, just buy the webbing, but look at that. That looks professional to me, other than it's like a little dirty, but I got some dust around. I'm working on it. And I love this navy straps, and then I can have that against the white fabric on the background. That's gonna be the top half, and I think that's just a cute little duo. So go ahead, make your own straps. It's fine. They're a little floppy, I guess. I don't know. So here I have my pocket on the front panel, and then I get to attach the straps, and that's gonna hold that all together and also be super duper cutie cutie. And so that is the front of my bag. Cute. It's already so cute. I got my Benjamin Bunny. I put his name at the bottom. Stinking cute. I love it. I love it so much. I could have used a little more stabilizer. You can see it's puckering a little on the edges. Now I know for next time. I don't know. Just double up your stabilizer every time. That's the lesson. I try to be cheap with it. I buy stabilizer all day long, and I always need more of it. So here I'm boxing my edges. I'm taking just so much care and precaution to mark the line and then put a pin to hold the things in place and then iron on the line. That's very diligent for me. I really wanted this to be special and turn out nice. So I took the extra step. In Holly's tutorial, she has you put the hole on the side of the lining. So here I'm able to just stitch the whole top in place. And I have the shell on the inside, and you pull it through the hole in the lining on the side. That's my first time doing it. I've always left a hole at the top of little bags and pulled them through that, and then you have to stitch it down. And it's always a little bit noticeable where that hole is. And to have it on the inside of the bag, that's smart. That's a better way to do it. So, if you saw in the Readerville line from Maywood Studio, that's the lining of this bag. It has little glasses and it's light blue. It's so stinking cute. I have a lot of it, been hanging on to it for a special occasion, and this is it. So there is my Benjamin Bunny, little green glasses, and there's that fabric on the lining with the Readerville collection, my nice straps. And then I can get it better in the light here. And the puckering doesn't bother me so much. If it was something that had to be worn, I think that'd be more noticeable, but like a floppy little tote bag looks good to me. It's a functional pocket. I think I'm going to put his little bedtime stories, because he's got quite the lineup of stories that he reads at night. I think we do 5 stories every night. And that is his Easter tote.